Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, July 16th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. Just a reminder, a couple of weeks ago, we settled above a descending one-year channel top that not only neutralized a one-year bear trend that had played out since July of last year, but also shifted the focus to the upside, anticipating now 327.58, this channel top, 1.5-year channel top, as a 3 to 5 month objective that remains intact above 205.87. And assuming we close the week Friday above 243.83, this rising channel top that is actually at 242.19 on the daily chart. I'll get to that in a moment. Holding above 243.83, in other words, continued weekly settlements at or above 243.83 will keep 327.58 in reach over the next 2 to 3 months. Well, we can take a look at the daily chart right now and show that 242.19 formation, combined with still the 5/8 Fibonacci at 237.98. This is a zone of support that can absorb selling for the week itself through next week. And from here, 289.52 remains a 2 to 3 week objective. On the way up, we still have 265.13 that actually contain Monday's highs. It remains a level that can contain daily highs. And if we close above 265.13, we should see within a 1 to 3 day period 278.98, where we could also top out on a daily basis, so forth and so on, up to our 2 to 3 week objective still at 289.52. That remains intact above 242.19. So if given the opportunity and the market falls into the upper 230s, low 240s over the next day or two, or today, for instance, I'll get to that in a moment. This area can absorb selling through next week. And if you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, it presents an opportunity for 289.52. If you're a 2 to 3 month position trader, it actually presents an opportunity for 327.58. If we were over the next week, 2 or 3, to close above 289.52, then we're anticipating this longer term objective at 327.58 within a matter of 2 to 3, 3 to 5 more weeks, where we could actually top out through the rest of the year. And that kind of covers the upside. Let's take a look at the downside. Do I show it here? I do not. Let me see one more. There we are. 251.84. Very simply, nothing more than Friday's high. And Monday's low was 251.73. We slipped below it just a bit, but we're showing it as an intraday pivot point. Holding above 251.84 will keep 265.13 in reach. Breaking or opening today below 251.54 will signal 242.19. Combined with 237.98, able to absorb weekly selling pressures, weekly lows. So day traders can buy 251.84 in anticipation of 265.13, where profits can be taken. Day traders can also short sell a break below 251.84, anticipating 242.19 within the day, where profits can be taken. You can cover your shorts here and actually go long, day traders. Also, 3 to 5 day swing traders can go long back to 265.13 or higher, and 2 to 3 week position traders, swing traders, can buy 242.19 in anticipation of 289.52. Now, of course, if we close below a 242.19, which is once again this rising channel top on the daily chart, and yes, I think for good measure, you might want to throw in 237.98. Now, if we close below 242.19 and not below 237.98, and you exit a long position, I think that's a good idea. But in terms of playing the short side with clarity, where you can do so aggressively, I think that's a settlement below 237.98. Where you can anticipate the low $2 area again within a week or two of trade. On the way down, I have 231.79. This is a newly formed rising 1/3 speed line, and as it converges with 237.98, that will gain in importance. We'll be watching this in the days ahead. Right now, just an intraday target if we were to break 237.98, which is not likely today. I mean, we can fall away today. We can sell off a bit today, and that would be indicated below 251.84, but I don't see us taking out 237.98 today. But if we did violate 237.98, 231.79 is likely, and if we close today below 237.98, I think you need to play the short side, at the very least exit all long positions if you're a 3 to 5 day, 1 to 2 week swing trader, because over that time horizon, I would anticipate the low $2 area. 200.59 is a newly formed rising channel bottom. 205.93 is that long-term 1-year channel top. This zone well suited to absorb selling through August and through the rest of the third quarter. And from here, we can round up to new highs following a testing of this significant area. But I don't see it. I don't expect it unless we were to close today below 237.98. Until then, that combined with 242.19 is bottom picking territory through the rest of the week and well into August activity. Still anticipating continued gains to 289.52 over the next 2 to 3 weeks, and over the next 2 to 3 months, yes, anticipating continued gains to 327.58. Please click like, share, subscribe. Last week we put out Rivian Automotive and Newmont Mining as our stock picks. We've got 2 more coming out tomorrow. Actually, no, today. I'm always doing these a day in advance. So on Tuesday, I'm doing this recording, by the way. I think you know by now, on Monday afternoon, once the markets close out. But on Tuesday, we'll be putting out 2 stock picks. I don't know exactly what they will be yet. We always have a list going, but they're those that are right on the edge of setting off a meaningful signal, typically to the upside. And so we'll be putting 2 of those out on Tuesday. You should check them out. Go to wickedstocks.com. You got a 5-day free trial. You can see everything, including the SPY and Triple Q. And speaking of the Triple Q, just want to note, Tesla is part of this index, as is NVIDIA, having real trouble up here, as anticipated, at this 4.5-year channel top. This index prone to meaningful bearish rotation as we move into later year. I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesday's Tesla report. You have a great evening. I'll be back tomorrow with Wednesdays.